necrophiliac, I'm fucking all the time. I'm all about my bitches, even though they dead, and even though they got blood stains on their head. I kill them all myself, I scope them bitches out, I make them bitches bleed, cause that's what I'm about. And right before I do it, they're screaming really loud, but living long enough to catch a dick up in their mouth. I'm thinking they might bite me, it's just a little flare, a deadly fucking passion for the bitches, I ain't scared. Got top-notch bitches, and she's a perfect 10, and I can have like any bitch I want and I pretend. When they did, they just lay there, I have my way with them, and she don't try to stop me, she loves her lovely grill. Some people frown upon it, but I don't even care. It's the only way that I can get the bitches, so there. Dead bitches love me, they all fantasize. Dead bitches love me, always on their mind. Dead bitches love me, fucking them ain't right. But dead bitches love me, they love me long time. Dead bitches love me, they all fantasize. Dead bitches love me, I'm always on their mind. Dead bitches love me, and fucking them ain't right. But dead bitches love me, they love me long time. Dead bitches love me, and I don't even mind. I be a necrophiliac, I'm fucking all the time, and people don't like it, they think it's so wrong. A twisted, con perverted fuck, I kill them, then it's on. And normies always talk about how fucking sick I be, but they don't know a half of all my twisted fantasies. Their bitches love me, and I'ma love them back. And I done got my red wings, bitches, that's a fact. And all I ever hear is how I'm fucked in the brain, and how I'm insane, all these bitches know my name, but they don't ever scream it when I got them in their bed. Cause like I said before, all my bitches is dead. So go ahead and hate like you've been hating all along, but all my violent nature's turning all these bitches on. It makes for them to love me even more in depth. They beg for me to fuck them when they take their last breath. Dead bitches love me, they all fantasize. Dead bitches love me, always on their mind. Dead bitches love me, fucking them ain't right. But dead bitches love me, they love me long time. Dead bitches love me, they all fantasize. Dead bitches love me, I'm always on their mind. Dead bitches love me, and fucking them ain't right. But dead bitches love me, they love me long time. It was made about a month ago, not even on the prowl. I seen a bitch just walking down the street in my town. I couldn't get my eyes to close and she was all alone. Decided to get up and follow this bitch home. I'm stepping out the house, and I'm not far behind. I'm following the bitch and I got one thing on my mind. She makes it to her house, she walks inside the door, and I'm about to do what I ain't never done before. I'ma walk up on my knock and let her know I'm here. Instead of waiting in the bushes for the coast to clear, she answers the door, I introduce myself and tell her what I'm into. She tries to call for help, then I cut the bitch's throat and strip her down naked. She looks at me with sad eyes, and now I'm fascinated. The second that she dies, I fuck a dead bitch. I still keep her dead body round for the itch. Dead bitches love me, they all fantasize. Dead bitches love me, always on their mind. Dead bitches love me, fucking them ain't right. But dead bitches love me, they love me long time. Dead bitches love me, they all fantasize. Dead bitches love me, I'm always on their mind. Dead bitches love me, and fucking them ain't right. But dead bitches love me, they